For the next part of the box, we're going to design the side piece of pine. You can see this one's much longer. It's got the slot cut out for the rebate for our lid to slide in. We've also got the block at the end cut out for our finger joint, and we've got the drilled holes here for the dowel joints. We'll get started with File, New, go for a new part. Within new part, we'll draw it from the right plane. So in here I'm going to do smart dimensions, get the right sizes. So along the bottom is 250 millimeters. The height is 48 millimeters. Then I can zoom in, spacebar, zoom so I can see it where I want the view to be. I need to extrude this into a 3D shape. So extruded boss base, I'm going to select where I want to extrude, and we know that this is 18 millimeters. We then need to put the rebate in the same part as we had done in the previous part. So on the side face, I can draw a square, just guess for now where it would be. I can use smart dimensions to tell us from the top. We know that it's 8 millimeters from the top. It steps in 4 millimeters, and the depth of that will be 3 millimeters. Then to remove that shape, what I need to do is press Features, Extrude the Cut, and cut that the whole way out for 250 millimeters to remove all the material. So that gives us the rebate. Spacebar, I can get up the views and look at it from the side. What I need to do is remove that square at the top for our finger joint. So in here I can again draw the shape. And zoom in and show exactly where I want it to be using smart dimensions. So I want the cut part to be starting at the very end, so I'm going to do that at 0. I know that it needs to be 18 millimeters because the part that's slotting in is 18 millimeters. I know that from the bottom it needs to be 16 millimeters, and it should be 16 millimeters high itself. I can remove that by pressing Features and Extrude Cut. It should only be the 18 millimeters for the depth of this pine. I press Spacebar and look at the full view. I just start to get the overall shape. I then need the left hand side, which will be where the dowels will go. So within here I can go to Sketch, draw a circle. Let's choose the surface I want to draw the circle onto. There's going to be 2 holes cut, so if I draw on 2 circles for now, use smart dimension, I know that that hole needs to be 6 millimeters, so I can change that to 6, and same with the bottom one. This needs to be 9 millimeters away from the side. $9 and from the bottom the first one will be 10 millimeters, and the next one from the bottom will be 30 millimeters. What we want to do is Features, Extrude Cut, and Extrude Cut that 10 millimeters, so it's not going to be the whole way through the material. Use Spacebar and look at the full view, and then what we can do is add the appearance. So on the right hand side, go into Appearances, and the drop down menu for Organic, for the wood. I'm going to find Pine and put on Pine to match the rest of the box. You can go through the drop down menus, just find the different